I didn't clean it for this video because I'm a real person and not everybody is clean and organized. Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. As you can tell, and I haven't told anybody, I dyed my hair back to my natural hair color. It looks a little bit darker than it actually is on camera. I can't figure out why. I had Steven just put some light highlights in the front and then basically just matched my hair color close to my roots, but not all the way. So it's just a tad bit lighter. I'm technically still a dark blonde, even though my hair looks brown on camera. It's not. Don't really know what that is. I'm about day 11 in on this quarantine, so I haven't left my house other than for actual essentials, like when the meat restocked at Walmart, I went and got groceries. So I'm pretty much dying of boredom. Ken and I are trying to come up with like different things to do, and tonight we decided to do an IG live, so I figured why not show how I'm doing my makeup, get something going on. I haven't done a YouTube video in a while. I figured I'd get back, and what a way to start, right? I do want to start with the fact that Daffy did sponsor this video again. I know a bunch of you actually ended up buying these, which is pretty cool. They're definitely a good alternative during the coronavirus. There's not a lot of water anywhere. Like if you're looking for bottles and gallons, they're pretty much gone. So it's definitely a good alternative. Just pour the water in, goes through this hole right here, and then filters through, and it levels the alkaline. Basically helps the acidity in your body, which is awesome as well, but you'll be able to save plastic too. Daffy also has filtering water bottles, which is essentially the same thing, but in water bottle form. So if you're just one of those people that has to have water bottles, another really good alternative. If it's something you guys are really interested, they sell them in a bunch of different colors. You don't have to have purple. If you're a guy or you just don't like purple, you can get a different color. Feel free to look at my description box. It's gonna have a link. I'll put the code in case you need to put a code in, but I don't think you do. I think the link automatically removes the percentage. So you will get a discount. If it's something that you're interested, I definitely recommend it. You can definitely keep up with your health, and it'd be a good essential necessity to have right now with everything going on with the coronavirus. Without further ado, let's figure out / see how we get this makeup. So as you can see, I already have my hair in rollers. I just did the top because I want a little volume, and the back's already curled, and I just put it in a clip and I'll take it out. But to get started, I am gonna use my IT Cosmetics CC Plus cream. Then I'm going to use Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer from Too Faced. This has a lot of coverage, so use very little if you decide to use this. Then I'm going in with the Translucent Loose Setting Powder from Laura Mercier. Pretty popular one. I'm sure you already have this. Next, I like to do basically the contouring of my face, and I usually do like the eyeshadow near the end. So I got my Kat Von D. Sometimes I do use a cream-based contour if my skin's feeling really dry. It's not today, so we're gonna go with this. And then a little angled brush. Then I like to take a regular, I think this is an eyeshadow brush to be honest with you. It's Sonia Kashuk. I remember buying it at Target, and it's number 116, but I use this for my nose contour. And I just do 2 little lines and a little in the middle. Then I take this brush, which used to be an original foundation brush. I don't even see these being used anymore. I don't even know if they're sold anymore, but I use it to apply the lighter shade powder where I put my concealer originally. See what I mean? Now that we're done with that, we're gonna move into the best part, and it's got fingerprints all over it, but I'm sorry, It is Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk, and I'm so excited about this because I love her line, and you guys always ask me what colors I'm wearing on my lips, and it's either Pillow Talk or Bite Cosmetics. I don't remember, I think it's like the nude pink color, but it's always one or the other and they look the same, so either or is fine. But this is what the inside looks like. I've clearly used it. There's fingerprints and dabs and glory all over it. I didn't clean it for this video because I'm a real person and not everybody is clean and organized. Okay, so there's 4 different labels. They say day, desk, date, and dream. And I'm gonna use day, even though I should probably be using date, but I don't wanna look like I have so much makeup on because that's not really my thing anymore. So I'm gonna start with the last one and just put it everywhere. And then I'm going to take a little smudge brush and do the under part of my eye with the same color. Next, I'm going to take the shimmery color in the middle and then I'm going to put it on my lid because it's pretty. Then I'm going to pause on this for a minute and I'm going to add the blush now that I know what color my lids are. This is Becca. I've had this for a bit actually, and I'm going to be using the colors Snapdragon, which is this one, and Wisteria. Normally I do my eyebrows first, but for the sake of this video I started with foundation because I figured it'd be nice to get a layer on first, but usually the very first thing I do is my brows, so I'm gonna do those really quick. And sometimes I use a powder, sometimes I use a liner. If I use a liner, I just draw like the outer lines down here, and then I fill in these and I just brush it all together. So anybody else would make really weird faces when they do their makeup, or is it just me? Alright, eyeliner. So normally I just run it under the sink, but I don't have a sink here, so we're going in with the Evian spray. And then I use the Sephora Matte Black eyeshadow. Dab it in there and get to work like you're putting on eyeliner. Wet this and straighten out this line. Back to Charlotte Tilbury. I'm going to take a bit of a different brush. I don't even know what you would call this. I think it's a crease brush, but this is what I use it for. This is from Makeup Designery and it's 800S, and then I'm just going to take this darker color right here from Date. It's the 3rd color, and I'm going to put it in the corners. What we got here so far? Not that bad. Big fluffy brush to blend in all the powder from originally. Highlighter. This is from Becca and it's Opal. I'm just gonna do a little on the cheekbones. And then I take another eyeshadow brush that I never see anymore. Again, I think this might be from Target or Walgreens from back in the day, but I get a little in here and I do the corners. Alright, getting to the end here, I'm going to use Stila's white eyeliner. It's in the color Alpine on the lower lash line. This is an old trick I've been doing forever. It makes your eyes look bigger. I use Latisse, so I don't ever wear fake eyelashes. You'll see what I mean when I say that, because I don't need to. Get in there with your mascara. I'm using Superfan from Smashbox and it's black. Make your standard mascara face, mouth open. This is why I don't have to wear lashes. You should look into it. No, this is not sponsored by Latisse. And then I've got my clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And then going in with my Lip Cheat Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Pretty excited. And I got a lipstick for it too. I'm gonna give that a whirl. I haven't used it yet, but it's also in Pillow Talk. Take a Q-tip. Wet it. This is gonna remove all the foundation and powder that was on your lips originally. A lot of times I'll do this and then just leave lipstick off and go with a clear lip gloss. Because when you do this, it really makes your natural lip color pop, making your lips look way bigger. That's my natural lip color. Going in. So I did the majority of my lips in this just because I know this lasts long and I don't know how good this is yet. I've never used it. So we'll do the majority of this in like the middle and towards the outer layer. Oh wow, it's really creamy. Just gliding on. When you're done, it should look something like this. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, feel free to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on more videos like this one.